Hi guys, do you want to grow your natural nails and have a beautiful manicure done at home? If yes, please go ahead and keep on watching this video. So to start the process, I am taking some cuticle oil. This is just some jojoba oil that I've put in an empty container, and I am applying this around my cuticles, on my nails, and as well underneath my nails, so I can offer a lot of hydration to my nails so I can go on with the grooming process. I recommend using jojoba oil instead of any other cuticle oil that you can find in shops, because this one penetrates deeper into the skin and the nail bed, and it offers much more hydration than a regular nail oil. Now I will start massaging the oil onto my skin and my nails so I can get ready for the next step, which is pushing my cuticles back. So I'm taking this kind of cuticle pusher, and I advise you to be really careful if you are using a metal one, because you need to have like much more control over the pressure you apply to your nails, because this is a metal tool and it can scrape into your nails or create even more damage than you can imagine. So please be very gentle when you are doing this, and if you don't want to use a metal one, you can always use the orange sticks or the kind of wood sticks that you can find probably in any drugstore or any nail supply store. Next, I am going to scrape off any excess cuticles and gunk that's on my nail bed. This will help us have a smooth nail bed so we can apply the nail polish and everything will look nice. Again, be very careful. This is a metal tool, so you don't want to apply too much pressure on the actual tool. Next, I am taking this cuticle cutter, which again you should be very careful if you never use one of these. So before you start using one of these, go slowly and try to not hurt yourself. And honestly, I do not recommend doing this if you've never done this, because once you've done this, you can never go back. So yeah, what I'm doing, I am cutting any hangnails that I have so I can get a more groomed and clean looking manicure. But again, if you've never done this, please don't do it. It's not necessary to do this. Next, I am taking a nail file. This is a 100 grit nail file, and I am starting from the tip of my nail, and I am filing in one direction only. This way you avoid any breakage or exfoliation of your nails. So I'm trying to file my nails in a square type manicure, semi-coffin manicure, I'm not sure how to call it. So I'm filing straight across the tip of my nail to make it square, but then I am trying to round up the edges so they don't get stuck in anything. And it's better if you have nail oil on your nails when you are doing this step as well, because the nail is much more softer and elastic, and you avoid the risk of breaking the nails when you are filing. So you can see I'm going on the sides of my nails as well to make them a little bit more thin and nice looking. So this is the shape of my nails right now. So next we are going to apply a base coat, and today I'm using this Rimmel London Stronger Nail Nurse as a base coat. This is a nail strengthener. It's not an actual base coat, but I do like to apply this from time to time whenever I feel my nails need a little bit more strength. I will apply this one, and the point of applying a base coat is to make your nail polish last longer, but of course to protect your nails against any, I don't know, stains that you can get from using darker nail polishes, and it makes your nail polish go on smoother and last longer as well. So yeah. Next, for the actual nail polish I'm using, I will take this Essence Gel Shine nail polish, and the shade name is Naughty, and it's a really pretty dusty rose pink. And I will be applying a thin coat on my nails. So this is just the first coat, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but I do recommend applying a thin coat and wait for it to be fully dried before going back and apply a second coat. After the first coat has fully dried, I am going back to apply a second coat, and this one I am applying it a tiny bit more thick than the first one, so we can get a good coverage. So this is how my hand looks, my nails actually look after the second coat. For top coat, I am using this Rimmel London Finishing Touch Ultra Shine top coat, and I am applying a generous amount on top of my nail polish, and as well I am wrapping my nail tip so the manicure can last longer. This is how my nails look with the top coat on top as well. And last but not least, we are applying some cuticle oil so we can bring back some hydration to our skin and the nails. And this is the final manicure. It's really easy to achieve, it's not expensive at all, and if I can do it, anyone can do it. I am not a nail pro, so that's what I usually do at home. If you enjoy this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!